As you guys can see in this picture which I found from the internet, it clearly defines which tag we can use in our HTML structure. For example, for the header, we have a header tag. For the footer, we have a footer tag. And for our sidebar, we have a side tag. And similarly, for our navigation, we have a navigate tag. And for our main article or main content, we have an article tag. So we can use inside our HTML structure. Same for our header and sections. Each part of our page have different section where we can define and use it. Now let's see how we can structure our HTML with a semantic tags. So first of all, we will start with the header tag. So let's add our header tag. Let's tag here header. Then inside our header, we can add our all the headers that we want, all other text that belongs to our document header. So for let's cut this from here and paste it here. Let's save. Now as you guys can see, it's showing in the top. To show it more clearly, let's add some styles. Let's add some background color for this. So we will type style and we will say background color is equal to, we are going to use hex color. So 9CCAF9. Let's save this. Now this is our header in our document. So let's type here header. Now let's start with our main HTML body with our main content. So for that we can use a div. So I will write div. Let's give them a style also, so we can easily differentiate it. So let's give them a style. Let's set the display to grade and grade template columns to 1FR, 2FR and 1FR. For now, it's not important for you guys to understand what this means. So just I'm doing to make it clear. So get the styles. Now let's add a gap also of 1 rem. So this is our main layout. So let's add right here to main layout. Now inside our div, we can create our navbar or our navigations. So let's create a nav tag here. So let's say nav and let's give them is also a style. So let's give them a style of background color hash FFF59D. Now we can create a header for our nav. So let's type header. Then let's create a h2 tag and name it navigation. Let's click save. Now our navigation is displayed in our browser. We can also create an unordered list or anything we want and set our nav. So let's create an unordered list. Then inside our unordered list, we will create our list items. So this one should be, for example, home. Another one for about. So let's type here about. And one more we will add for contact. Now let's save. Now our items are displayed in here. So as you guys can see, all of them are displayed in the left side of my page. Now for our main section, for our main content, we have an article tag. We can use that. Let's scroll up and in here we can type article. Then inside the article we can add the header tag and write our header. For example, we can write here main article. Now our main article is displayed in here. Then we can add many sections for each part of our article. For example, let's create a section by typing section. And inside this section, we can add another tab, for example, H34 section 1, and another a paragraph by saying content for section 1. We can add as many sections as possible for our this part. For example, let's add two more sections and change it to 2. This one 2 also, 3 and 3. Let's save. Now our main article and sections are ready. So let's give it this style also so it looks good. So let's go back inside our main article, and in here let's type style background color hash C8E6C9. Save. Okay, our section is ready, our article part. Now for the right side, we have another tag with the name of a site so it can display in here. So let's add that also. Let's scroll down, and in here let's type a site, same as our article tag. We will add some sections in here. So let's copy this from here. Let's copy and paste it in here. Paste. Okay, let's add two more. Paste, and this one also paste. So instead of section 1, we will just type a site section 1. And let's change it just also 1. Let's add it this one also here. Not inside here. Save. Okay. Now as you guys can see, our site is displaying in the right side of my page. Now let's give this as style as well, so we can differentiate its style background color hash FFCC80. Okay. Now our header, our navigation, our main article, and our sides parts are set. Now we have also another tag for our footer. So for that, let's scroll down, and after our closing div tag, in here we will create a new tag with the name of footer. Then we can add anything we want in here. So for example, I will create a paragraph in here and say website footer. Let's save this. Okay, our website footer is displayed. Let's give them a style as well. So let's type a style background color is equal to hash 90CAF9. Let's save this. As you guys can see, my footer is being displayed in here. So this is it for a semantic HTML tags. See you guys in the next video.